Welcome to Compass and Pencil. Today we discuss exercise 1.2. Find out the null set. This is our question. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. We know odd natural numbers are not divisible by 2. Odd natural numbers are divided by 2. Remainder not equal to 0. So it is a null set. Set of even prime numbers 2, 3, 5, etc. 2 is an even prime number, so it does not form null set. X such that is a natural number, x less than 5 and x greater than 7. No natural number satisfy both these conditions. So it is a null set. Y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Parallel lines are not intersect, so they does not have common point. Next, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? We have only 12 months, that is the set consists of 12 elements, so the set of months of year is finite. Next 1, 2, 3, etc. We don't know how many elements are in set, so it is an infinite set. Next 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 100. We know 100 elements are in this set, so it is a finite set. The set of positive integers greater than 100. It is an infinite set because positive integers greater than 100 are infinite in number. Prime number less than 99. It is a finite set. Finite elements are inside the set, so it is a finite set. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. First one, the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. We can draw infinite number of lines parallel to x-axis, so it is an infinite set. Second question, the set of letters in the English alphabet. The set of letters in the English alphabet is a finite set because it has 26 elements. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. We can find out infinite number of multiple of 5 numbers, so it is an infinite set. The set of animals living on the earth. It is a big number and it is a finite set. The set of circle passing through the origin 0, 0. We can draw infinite number of circles passing through the origin. So it is an infinite set. In the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. First question, set A is equal to ABCD, set B is equal to DCBA. Every element of A is an element of B, so A is equal to B. A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. B is equal to 8, 4, 16, 18. It can be seen that 12 is element of A but 12 not element of B. So A not equal to B. Next A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is equal to X is a positive even integer, X less than or equal to 10. First in roster form and second in set builder form. We can write set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So A is equal to B. Next, A is equal to X such that X is a multiple of 10 and B is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We can write A is equal to 10, 20, 30, etc. Then 15 element of B but 15 not element of A, 25 element of B and 25 not element of A, therefore A not equal to B. Are the following pairs of sets equal? Give reason. First question, A is equal to 2, 3, B is equal to X such that X is a solution of X square plus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0. So B is equal to, we get the set minus 2 and minus 3. Solving the quadratic equation, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 2, 3 and B is equal to minus 2, minus 3, A not equal to B. A is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word follow. B is equal to set Y such that Y is a letter in the word wolf. Set A is equal to FOLW, B is equal to WOLF. All element of A is an element of B, so A is equal to B. From the sets given below, select equal sets. From the given set, we get B is equal to D and E is equal to G. Every element of B is an element of D and every element of E is an element of G.